how cute. Nah, I don't think I want to pass. Hey, the cop's gone. What's going on, guys? I just decided to go downtown. I just went and rode with the wife for a little while. That's the first time she's been on for, I can't even remember, but it has been cold, and I know that she does not like to ride if it's below like 80. I was trying to make fun of her. So what does everybody think about all of these new bikes coming out in 2020? Like, comment what your favorite bike's gonna be, something. But I mean, you have the Ducati Street Fighter, you have the ZH2 Super Duke, it got revamped. You have the CBR Fireblade, the new MV Agusta. Well, both of them. There's like the 1000 and then the Elio, I think it might be. That's like 45 grand for a motorcycle. That thing looks insane. I wish I could say that'll be my next bike, but I don't have that kind of money. That's for dang sure. I know there's a good amount of bikes. I don't know what this car is doing. Everyone's turning. There's no winning. That's a big friggin' hoe right there. Like in the ground, like a hole in the ground. Oh, they're getting pictures and stuff. Don't get over. You wanted to. Igloos. What the hell is going on there? People are sleeping in those things? Dude, last video I talked about how I'm gonna get a new bike and stuff. Wouldn't it be weird if I got a Harley? Just throwing that out there. Be ready. I'm gonna tell you what, it's 70 degrees almost out, but in the shade it does not feel like that on a motorcycle because you're going and it is chilly. I do believe I see a wheelie in my future because this is the road to do it. Ah! He enjoyed it. It's nice whenever there's people that like give me a little like sick sign, because sometimes when I do wheelies I do feel bad. I'll tell you what, I feel bad because I know not everybody likes them, but it's not like I do them everywhere. I'll tell you what, it's only 4:30, but it sure doesn't feel like it because the sun. Planet Hollyweed. I'll pull out, don't do it. I'm scared. If I'm ever that old and I am driving like that, freaking hit me. Hit me with your car. And tell me I'm stupid. Bruh. light after freaking light. 15% off for first time customers. Dude, see, that's a freaking deal if I've ever seen one. Oh man, well, I wish I could go. What the heck? Why don't I get to go? I have to have a signal. That's not fair. Alright guys, well that is the end of this video. It is already starting to chill out a little bit because the sun's starting to peak over to the sunset area. The sun starts going down like less than an hour, so that kind of sucks. But I will definitely be riding again tomorrow. If I wasn't so busy today. That person was yelling like crazy. Sorry to distract myself, but man, they were pissed. I'll definitely do another video tomorrow. I'll probably go around Draper or something, do something actually interesting. I was hoping I might have seen something interesting today, but I really just wanted to talk about like the new bikes and see like what your guys' opinions are on them and which one you would get. But yeah, I know which one I would get, but definitely I would stay naked. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. As always, oh no. Have a good freaking week, people. Peace.